particles enter your body, they begin to attack your respiratory system. The virus may impact your nose, throat, and lungs at this stage. Within the next 2 weeks, you may experience immune response to the virus, including coughing, fever, and congestion. You may also experience neurological symptoms like loss of smell and taste. For many, COVID symptoms may end at this point. For some, more serious symptoms may occur. When COVID severely impacts the lungs, it can make breathing difficult, cause pneumonia, and cause fluid to collect in the lungs.